We're working natural log functions, and now we're going to move right on into log functions. And no rhyme or reason, I'm just going to say f of x instead of y. Doesn't matter. Bottom line is we take the derivative of this correctly. Okay, so just like the natural log functions, this time there's just been one little thing that's been added to it, and that is this still stays the same. We take the derivative of what's in parentheses, and the derivative of x is 1, and then we rewrite x, but this time I'm going to write the natural log of the base of log here, and the base of log is 10. Now we don't write 10 would be written right here, but we don't write it here. If it's a 10, we don't write it, okay? But it's assumed to be a 10 right here, and this is log base 10. So we put the 10 right here, and guess what? We are done. That is the derivative. Yes, it is, folks. All right, let's look at another example. Man, this is getting funner by the minute. What happens if I had y? We're going to use y this time. Like I said, it doesn't matter. Y is equal to log of x squared plus 1. So we are asked to find y prime. So we take the derivative of what's in parentheses, which is 2x. We rewrite what's in parentheses, and of course I'm going to write that in parentheses, times, now remember there's a 10 here even though it's not written, the natural log of 10. Okay? Alright, let's do one with the base is different. The base is going to be different. Like, let's say, alright, let's look at this notation. Right, so we're just using different notation, no big deal. This way, if you were asked something like this, you'll know what to do. Alright, this time the base is 5. But that's okay. We take the derivative of x, which is 1, and we rewrite x, right? Rewrite what's in parentheses, and this time we say the natural log of 5. So you see, whatever this is right here, we just write it right here, the natural log of it. Okay, so that's the derivative. What if we had d over dx, right, asking us to take the derivative of log, this time we'll say we have a base of 7, and it's x squared plus 1. Okay, so we take the derivative of what's in parentheses, and the derivative of x squared is 2x, and of course the derivative of 1 is 0. And then we're going to just rewrite times, and then natural log of 7. Natural log of 7. Good enough. Let's see, we got d over dx, and this time we're going to have the log of x minus 1 over x plus 1. So guess what? We're going to have to expand this thing first, okay? We want to expand it. So in other words, I'm going to go ahead and write this notation here. This is going to be log of x minus 1 minus, because it's divided by, however you want to say that. Right? Now we take the derivative, so this becomes 1 over x minus 1 times the natural log of 10 minus 1 over x plus 1 times the natural log of 10. All right. So that's going to end up being the derivative finally. So we have to rewrite, expand it out, and then take the derivative. All right.